Hi, I'm Holly Hucklesby and I currently teach both the Photoshop and Illustrator courses with Nicole's classes. I wanted to quickly show you how to create masks in Photoshop. I use these a lot when designing within Photoshop and I just wanted to show you. So I've just opened up this image that I took earlier of some flowers. And I thought this would be a really great card to send to a friend. So firstly, I'm just going to select the character palette. So you can create masks out of anything, but I'm just going to show you how to create a mask using type in Photoshop. So I'm just going to select the type tool in the toolbar, and the shortcut for that is T. I'm just going to click once on the photo and just quickly type out the word mask. Then I'm just going to make the type as big as it can get within the image. So I'm just going to select Command or Control T, and I'm going to hover over the corner of the bounding box, and whilst holding down Shift, I'm just going to click and drag just to enlarge that type within the image. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to press Return. And I've now got my type within the photo. So at the moment, obviously it's looking a little bit dull, not too exciting. So what I want to do is I want to create a mask out of this type that shows the flowers through it. So to do that, all I need to do is go over to my layers palette, and I'm going to click, holding down Command, I'm going to click in the layer. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. Holding down Command, I'm going to click in the layer thumbnail of the type. And as you can see that the type is now selected because there's those marching ants all the way around. The next thing I want to do is turn off the layer visibility. So to do that, I literally just click on the eye of that layer. And what that does is it just hides that layer. Then what I want to do is I just want to select the flower layer, and to do that you just click on the layer that contains the flowers, and the only thing I need to do next is click on the mask button, which is at the bottom of the layers palette, and I'm going to click once, and you can see now that the type is now masked, and you can see the flowers through it. Now, just to explain the layer here, so this is the layer thumbnail on the left is the flowers, and the thumbnail on the right is the mask. And there automatically is this lock that locks the two together, so you can move both the layer mask and the image within it. But if you click on that lock, it unlocks it. And you can see these little white brackets round this mask. So if I just zoom out, I can move the mask within the image. So it might be that, you know, you can get a better crop of the flowers if you just move the mask around. So I might just move it up there. You can also, if you click in the flower thumbnail, you can now move the flowers within the mask. So that's really important too, that you know the difference between the selection of either moving the image within the mask or the mask within the image. And once you're happy with the location of the crop of the image, just click back between the two thumbnails to lock those in place so that you can now move the complete image, both the mask and the flowers within the document. So yeah, so that's basically masking an image using type within Photoshop. Thanks.